Welcome, dear students. Class 7th, Subject General Science, Subject Teacher Joshi SK. Lesson number 9, Heat, Part 1. Look and observe these pictures carefully. In the first picture, milk is boiling due to heat from the gas. In the second picture, a thermometer is used to measure body temperature of a boy. In the third picture, the moisture in the air cools down due to the ice cubes in the glass. In the fourth picture, people are warming up their bodies with the help of bonfire. In the last picture, buffalo is cooling its body with water. All these pictures shows different properties of heat. Now, rub your palms against each other and put them on your cheek. What do you feel? You can feel heat, which is produced due to friction. All these examples explains transfer of heat. Now, let's study what is meant by transfer of heat. Heat can flow from one place to another. This is called transfer of heat. Example, when we keep a glass of hot milk in water, gradually hot milk cools down and water becomes warm, which shows transfer of heat from hot milk to cold water. Now let's learn modes of heat transfer. There are three modes of heat transfer. First one is the conduction, second convection, and third one is the radiation. Now let us study in detail about conduction. Transfer of heat from the hot part of an object to the cold part is called conduction of heat. To learn more about conduction, try this activity with me. Take 3 bars of stainless steel, aluminium and copper respectively. Length of each bar should be same. Apply wax spots at the same distance. Now stick pins in each wax spot so that it is upright. Now insert 3 bars into a flame at the same time and observe how pins fall. You will observe that pins fall starting from the end near to the burner to the end far from the burner, which means transfer of heat takes place from hot part to the cold part. Now let's understand properties of conduction. Heat transfer from hot part to the cold part in conduction. Second property is for conduction, medium is required. Third property is heat cannot be conducted in vacuum because medium is compulsory in conduction. And the last property is medium should be solid. Now let's study about second mode of heat transfer, that is convection of heat. Heat transferred by means of convection currents is called convection of heat. To prove this, try this activity with me. Take some water in a beaker, heat beaker on gas burner, drop few crystals of potassium permanganate into the water and observe what do you see. You will see streams of water going upwards and coming back to the bottom. These are called currents of water, and transfer of heat by this mode is called convection of heat. Now let's study some properties of convection. Convection. Heat is transferred by means of convection currents. Second, convection needs a medium. Third, medium can be liquid and gaseous substance. Heat cannot be transferred by this mode in vacuum. Now let's understand third mode of heat transfer, that is radiation. Transfer of heat by means of electromagnetic waves is called radiation. To understand more about radiation, try this activity with me. Take some water in a test tube, wrap
a piece of ice in wire gauge and drop it in the test tube. It will sink in the bottom. Now, using test tube holder, hold the test tube at a stand as shown in the figure. Hit the upper part of the test tube. Stop hitting when the water starts boiling. Observe the piece of ice at the bottom. The heat does not reaches the bottom even though the upper part is heated. Reason behind this is the density of water. Density of water decreases from the upper part due to warmness. Hence, water cannot flow downwards, and so the convection process cannot take place. Have you warmed yourself near a bonfire or in the morning sun in winter? The sun is millions of kilometers away from us. There is no air between the sun and the earth, and earth's atmosphere is only thin layer of air closest to the earth. Then how does the heat of sun reaches us? This heat is transferred in absence of any medium. In radiation, transfer of heat can take place without any medium. Medium cannot be required, and hence heat can be transferred in vacuum also. Collect information about more wonders of science like infrared camera,